And then finally, I'd like to quickly touch on a completely different field, yet again, which is predictive maintenance. So this is the idea of trying to identify an asset that requires maintenance before it actually requires maintenance, before its performance degrades, before the asset fails. This is applicable multiple different domains. This looks like a space telescope on the top picture, highway infrastructure on the bottom. The real world example that we've run in this domain that I'm thinking of is perhaps closer to the highway infrastructure than space telescopes, but a similar type of approach is applicable everywhere. We've got high dimensions of data where we want to capture the performance and the properties of each asset. We've also got very sparse data because almost certainly we're not collecting all of the bits of information about each asset. It's also definitely very noisy. Anything else assets in the real world, there's always going to be variability.